be a pleasant
Right.
a routine a practice run.
No, that's it.
Yeah, hopefully he's on it. Yeah.
Taylor! Hi, guys.
Hey, Pate. Pate, was that fun?
Hi, Taylor.
What was it, Pate?
Awesome!
Awesome?
What was awesome? How was the bus?
Great.
Let me get you and Maddie.
What did you think? How was school today, Pate?
The bus was awesome too.
Well, how was kindergarten? Did you have fun?
What'd you do?
Did you just ride? Was that your first bus ride ever?
I can't. No. How'd you get on that bus?
I got on that seat. Maddie? You look so cute. Did you drink water today?
Oh, good.
These are my same shoes I wore on the Now look how dirty they are anyway.
Hey, stand here beside
Yeah.
each other. We'll get a picture.
Let me see those kindergartnens.
Hey,
Amy,
Mac.
get Jim in there.
Get the picture.
Oh, I think just doing the
No, Amy, get in there.
All right, Mackie,
Mac, go stand by Pate.
Let's stand by Mackie.
Hey, Mac.
Hey, and Madison.
Naomi, get up there by your sister. Mackie, go over there.
Mac, go look, see what Pate has. Go over there and see what Pate has.
Yeah, it's
Mackie.
Naomi, come on.
He's got something for you, Mackie. Turn around.
Oh, Pate, we're trying to get a picture, buddy.
Oh, go stand over there, Pate.
Here, I'll hold your book bag. Go just stand by
Mommy,
Maddie.
you know what? Mommy goes on my
What happened to my picture?
kindergarten. You know what happened?
Okay, everybody over here.
All my girls had to have cheerleading list. What?
Okay.
All the girls are going to cheerlead.
Okay, Mac and Asher.
Oh, they didn't give you a cheerleader list?
No.
Just take a picture, Bob. The young ones can be
I don't want to be cuddled. I'm too hot, guys. Okay?
Okay, let's just stand beside each other then. There we go. Everybody smile.
There you go.
Feed.
Okay.
Too bad my name and Carol says okay, it's okay.
Look at that. I mean, does he not? He doesn't look like a kindergartner there, does he?
They're gone. What? They're driving me.
I know, they're driving me crazy too. And they're biting me. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Smelling stuff.
Your mom? Wow, I'd say that's a pretty good reaction coming out and said it was great. It was awesome.